Welcome to My Payroll Master. My Payroll Master is the most simple and comprehensive HRMS for your organization. You or your teammate can log into MPM from anywhere, either by using the mobile application or by using the link login.mypayrollmaster.online. You will be taken inside once you give your credentials. For the first-time users, you may need to set up your organization in MPM. You can give your company details, create branches, departments, grades, designations, notice periods, financial or leave years, and the banks. You can select or create your salary and leave heads, create leave policies, salary structures, and shift policies. You can define all salary components and statutory components of the salary with a simple formula. Once you create all these organizational policies in MPM, you are ready to add your employees in MPM. Capture all relevant details of your employees either through a form, or you may even upload an Excel file with all the details. You can control your employees' self-service and mobile application access here. You may even allocate different forms to particular employees so that she can perform that function specifically. You can separate employees and do their full and final settlement from here. All your employees' attendance would be automatically processed from either biometric device, mobile application, or from file upload in the attendance module, and will show you the processed attendance for you to verify. You have limited options to update attendance or edit the attendance. You may even upload leaves or attendance here. Once the attendance is processed, you can process your payroll by going to the payroll form. Once you approve the payroll, all the payslips will be released in the employee's self-service portal and mobile application. You may even take a print of the salary slips and other reports. You also have options to add employee loans, advances, which will automatically deduct from the salaries. You can even track the employee assets movements and employee expenses in MPM. All the reports are available in View, Excel, and PDF formats. You can integrate biometric devices to MPM to see the live attendance. If you decide to use mobile application for your employees' attendance, you will see the location of the employees when they punch in or punch out. MPM also gives an option to track customer meetings outputs and locations as well. MPM is the best system to have discipline in your organization. More help videos are available under mypayrollmaster.online under the Help tab. You can always raise a ticket by clicking on the Get Support button at the right bottom of any pages of MPM. Thank you, and wish you a streamlined process in your HR department.